Namaste everyone, this is Sandeep and welcome to my channel Only Study by Sandeep Dhiman. Today we are going to start new poem. I have got email. Okay, first of all I'll recite the poem and then after I'll tell you the word meanings and then after the summary of the poem. Okay, students, there are different ways of reciting a poem. I'm going to tell you two ways of recitation. Okay, the first one is you can make rhyme of the last words, okay, like doors, your, pin code, mode, okay, and other one is like you sing a song, you can recite the poem in that way. Okay, I'm going to give you examples by reading one paragraph. Okay, the first example I'm going to give you, let's start. The postman doesn't knock at my door, yet I have mail, of that I'm sure. I don't know my pin code, that anyways a fashion out of mode. I haven't sent a letter by post in 1 year, yet I communicate with all those who are dear. Okay, so this is one way, and other one is the postman doesn't knock at my door, yet I have mail, of that I'm sure. I don't know my pin code, that anyways a fashion out of mode. I haven't sent a letter by post in 1 year, yet I communicate with all those who are dear. Okay, students, this is the other way of recitation. You can use any way of recitation. You can take the help of your parents, your guardians for reciting in other ways also. Okay, let's read the poem now. The postman doesn't knock at my door, yet I have mail, of that I'm sure. I don't know my pin code, that anyways a fashion out of mode. I haven't sent a letter by post in 1 year, yet I communicate with all those who are dear. Outside my house you won't find a mailbox anywhere. What does it matter, and do I care? My letters are on my computer screen. Getting messages is my cherished dream. With the click of a mouse I talk to my brother in Florida, or a battalion of long lost friends, one even in Costa Rica. But there are times I sigh and go pale when I have to sift through countless emails. A wrong address could mess up one's life. One may get queries on beauty when science is the line. Woe betide you if a virus you release, your mail inside the computer will freeze. I can't figure out if email is a boon or a bane, but without it life would never be the same. About this dotty.com I confess I'm crazy, though mom screams, oh it's made you lazy. Mouse potato, dad will often say, but getting email is the best part of my day. Dear God, it's neither the male nor the female. The best thing you gave us is the email. Now here we have word meanings. Let's discuss them. First one is communicate. Communicate means interaction or to talk to each other. Okay, then after we have next difficult word is this cherished, means lovely or loved, lovely or loving, okay, or loved dream. Then after we have here the next word is sigh. Sigh means tired, okay, tired. And pale is also faint or yellow. It also stands for color, yellow color. Okay, faint or weak. Okay, shy means tired. Then after we have next is shift through. Shift through means to check and sort carefully. Okay, then after we have next is mess up. Mess up means confused or damaged. Okay, confused or damaged. Then after we have next freeze means hang. Okay, the mail is hanged. Then after we have next comes one is left here, woe betide. Woe means misery or distress or sorrow, and betide means occurred or take place or happened. Okay, then after next we have here figure out. Figure out means find out, evaluate or disorder. Freeze is also suspended. Sometimes accounts suspended due to the virus. Okay, so suspended can also be a or hanged. Okay, and figure out, I told you, to find out or to evaluate. Okay, and then after here is dotty. Dotty means unbalanced or mad. Okay, in that dotty.com, unbalanced.com, or madly, because people become crazy about internet and all those mails and other things. So dotty, in that way you can take it. Then after we have here confess. Confess means admit. Okay, we admit our mistake. Okay, so these are the difficult word meanings in this poem. Let me tell you the summary of the poem now. In first paragraph here, one more thing. Mail. What is mail? Mail is a letter, and email means electronic letter. Okay. Now here we have, in first paragraph, poet says that postman never comes to his house, but he has his letters. He further says that he even doesn't know his pin code. What is pin code? Pin code is a number that is a very important part of the address. Okay, he says that this is out of fashion now, and he says that he has not posted a letter for 1 year. Okay, but he communicates, he talks to his friends, those who are he communicates to all those who are dear to him. Okay, further he says that there is no letter box outside his house, but it's not a matter, and he doesn't care for that. He further says that all his letters are on his computer screen, and this is getting message on his computer, that is his lovely dream. He says with a click of a mouse he can talk to his brother who lives in Florida, and also to a battalion, means a group of friends. uh, One of them is in Costa Rica. He can talk to anyone. Okay, it means that. Next, further he says sometimes he gets shy. Shy means tired. Sometimes he gets tired and fainted because he has to shift through. Shift through means to check and sort carefully countless emails. So many emails are there in his inbox, and he has to check all of them, so he gets tired. Okay, further he says that if there is a wrong address, it can mess up means it can make you confused. Okay, or it can mess up your life. Okay, further he says because of wrong address you can get the queries on beauty, where your line is, where you are. For example, I'm a teacher. Somebody will be asking to me about beauty if there will be a wrong address. Okay, so such problems you can face. Woe betide. uh, Further he says here, there will be distress if a virus is there in your computer. Okay, distress can be happened if there is a virus in your computer. It can suspended or it can freeze your computer or your email account. Next is, in last paragraph he says that he cannot figure out means find out. He cannot find out, or he cannot declare that mail is a boon or bane, means it is good or bad. But without it, he says, life will never be same. He says that he here he is crazy about this dotty.com, means madly. .com, you know, email address is always with .com. For example, sandeepdhiman@.com. Okay, in this way it is written. By the way, my mail is sandeepdhiman001@gmail.com. Okay, so here he confess, or he admits here that he is crazy about emails, and but he says here is his mom's screams on him and says that it makes him lazy. Okay, and his dad calls him mouse potato because he always busy with the mouse. Okay, and he says the best part of his day is receiving or getting emails. Further, he says, Dear God, not male, not female are good, but the best thing is that you gave us email. Okay, so this is the summary of the poem. I told the summary one line wise. Okay, hopefully it is clear to you and you will be able to solve the exercise now. Now this b4 I'm assigning to you, and b5 also to you, b6 also to you, and okay, all of them, b4, b5, b6, this is for you. And tomorrow in our class, in our live class, we'll discuss all of them. Okay, and also practice for the poem recitation. Okay, thank you.